Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Call of Duty mod menu on my iOS device, and if you're looking to get the Call of Duty mobile mod menu on your iOS or Android device, just watch this video until the end. I'm gonna show you how. So as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. I'm gonna show you how you can get it too. So all you need to do, guys, is just go to apkmodeios.com, and at the top right, just write Call of Duty mobile, and you should see the Call of Duty mobile mode. Click on it. You have info about it. You have unlimited all mode menu, anti-ban, Aimbot for all iOS and Android devices. This is the latest version, and you just install it. Simple as that. It will take a couple of seconds, so give it some time, guys. Sometimes it may ask you some extra steps depending the country that you are. Sometimes it may not. So as you can see, the mode has been activated. Normally you should see that, but if you see some other extra steps, be careful. You need to do them correctly, guys. So thank you for watching and have a great day.